Everyone tells you to pick good keywords, but nobody ever explains what that actually means. The truth is, there's one little known keyword method that can completely flip your visibility practically overnight. In this video, I'm going to dive into it, so smash that like button and let's go. Alright, here's how it works. When you search for a topic like productivity planner, Amazon auto-suggests related keywords. Those are gold. They're not random, they're based on buyer intent. But here's the trick that most people miss. Combine two of those keyword phrases into a subtitle. For example, morning routine journal for focus and success. That hits 2 search lanes in 1 search. Next, spy on the best sellers. Copy their tone and phrasing, but not their words. Amazon rewards familiarity because readers typically click what's proven. Then upload your book with those keywords in your title, subtitle, backend metadata, and your description intro paragraph. That tells Amazon exactly who to show your book to. If you want my personal keyword prompt and backend metadata template, the same one that got me ranking in competitive niches, you can grab it free inside my course linked below. This one trick can literally double your traffic without ever spending $1 on ads. It's not about guessing keywords. It's about speaking Amazon's language. If you got value, smash that like button and I will see you in the next video.